everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to set up a VPN on a Samsung TV in 2025. First of all, let's talk about can you use a VPN on your Samsung TV? Okay, Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen operating system, which doesn't natively support VPN apps. However, instead of using a direct app, you can set up a VPN connection on your TV through alternative methods. Getting set up with a VPN is definitely worthwhile because it can improve your privacy and security by protecting your TV and other devices connected to the internet from potential cyber threats. Now, set up VPN via router. Check if your router supports VPN. Not all routers are VPN compatible. Look for models from brands like Asus, Netgear, etc. Log into your router's admin panel. Connect a device to your Wi-Fi, open a browser and enter your router's IP address. Then follow the instructions. Now find the VPN settings. Look for a VPN section in the admin panel. This section may be under Advanced Settings, Security, or a dedicated VPN tab. Enter your VPN credentials. Input the server address, username, and password provided by your VPN service. Connect and apply changes. Click Active or Connect, and your router will apply the settings. All devices on your network, including your Samsung Smart TV, will be connected to the VPN. That's easy. Now check the VPN connection. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.